The way the traffic flows in the Aruba system is the client associates to the AP, and whatever encryption that's being used here in the wireless side gets carried all the way through to the controller via a GRE tunnel. So if there's no encryption on the wireless side, there's no encryption to be carried through the controller. Basically all the 802.11 encryption, exactly as it is, goes through the tunnel to the controller. What we can do is set up a capture so the data to the client can be tunneled to our desktop for capturing before it's got the encryption on, or after it's come off if it's coming from the other end. So what that does is basically set up a GRE tunnel from the controller to the desktop. Now that's just a way of getting it there. There doesn't have to be any fancy GRE things running on the desktop, just Wireshark, and we'll listen just for GRE traffic, and you'll see all the decrypted data that's going through this GRE tunnel. So once again, this GRE tunnel in dark blue here from the AP to the controller carries all the data as it is on the wireless. So if it's encrypted, then it'll be encrypted through here. But regardless of if it's encrypted or not up there, this GRE tunnel that we're setting up for the packet capture will see decrypted, so we can see the actual traffic that would be going down to this client. On the controller, we need to find the MAC address of the client you want to monitor, and the easiest way is to just do show user. And let's say I want this, let's say this MAC address here, that's the client we want to capture. First of all, we have to tell where the capture is going to go. So we go packet capture destination IP address. Okay, that's the desktop where Wireshark's running that will receive the traffic. Now we want to start the packet capture from the Datapath, from the Wi-Fi client, and the MAC address of that client, and decrypted. And now that's sending it through a GRE tunnel to the desktop. Now we want to view that capture that's coming into the computer, but we don't want to view everything that's floating around the network. So we'll do a capture filter for the GRE tunnel, which is just IP Proto 47, for IP Protocol 47, which is GRE, and we'll start that. And now, if I run a ping to that laptop, okay, I'll just send a ping, and as you can see, there's normal network traffic here. The ARP to say where is it, it came back, ping request, ping reply, purely the traffic that's going to that wireless client. To stop sending the capture from the controller once you finish, just put no in front of the previous command. So no packet capture data path wireless client, the MAC address of the client, and the decrypted one, and it's gone.